My bro. One day.
Odogwu boo.
Nah, one day. You say you go work, you feel you go work. Kefa na me one day. What's up?
Nah, I say if I call you this one, now you don't pick my call, guy. I don't go disturb because nah. My ejimi who ma show you who ma who nke gbara ọkụ.
Nah, my
I
brother.
as a colleague. As a colleague. Only one time I got a war about your wife now female. I was the one that defended you on social media. So my me he can actually me my colleague. I will first of all call Candy Shaw before man even say because family I before I man na to tiono. Ntiono na ti wrongly number 1 wa pogo mase. 2 we can be we ekwu kita adom vam. So that's on you now. Okay, because now video can watchable before. I was like, maybe your wife gift. So look at the gift. Thought was nah. So okay. No, because another video again. You can see here. Mbakwa, and I use people there because when I say well, and some man can't carry go. They have Bakwana and also. Yakanja do because. For the last say ride on. For the last say equina. For the last say biko. It be a public figure 1, 2 for the sake of the child. Do. Yam na yogo biko kan na yogo do. And I'm not equipment pull on the video down. But no equipment to save yourself from normal.
Yeah. J-Pack, I understand. Thank you very much for calling.
Okay.
I understand. Sorry for not taking your call. Since that time when we say they call me, my head full. And then since we are recording this video, I go beg you to speak English so that some people go understand what they talk.
Okay, no problem.
No, we're gonna speak Igbo because I wouldn't Igbo.
Yes.
Just to carry everybody along. You get?
No problem.
First of all, my brother, I agree to answer your call because you are my man. And then you are more like a public person. Where we say, I don't see some kind matter. Where we say you put mouth. So I know say you have the clout for me to follow talk.
Okay.
First of all, I want to apologize to some people that are disappointed in me and my wife. Because I don't receive calls. I don't receive even up till now, people are still calling. People are still messaging. You get?
Yes.
So I want to apologize to them. I did not mean to disappoint them. Because so many people are looking up to us.
Okay.
As their ideal couple, as their idol. So I don't mean to disappoint them. Why I posted that first video, that first video was not recent. To be honest with you, yes. It was more like a surprise gone wrong. But everything was recorded. So why I posted it is that some of those people that were there that day, that was recorded, some of them have now posted where I gave her keke. So that particular video is now beginning to trend on WhatsApp. And then some people now are now saying that why are you doing your wife keke? So I now decided, because the page that I posted it is our fan page, not even my main page. I now decided for our admin to post the main video so that everybody go know, say this is what happened.
How it started?
Yes. I did not post it for me to tarnish my wife's image. She's my wife, love of my life. And then nothing will change that.
Thank God for that.
Now. So that is actually what is happening and what happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now I understand where you are coming from. But what I want to plead now is that as this is now on the trend for social media, I beg, even if now your wife, I don't say she don't do you wrong, yes. And but if you look at the countenance of your wife, you gonna say she gets remorse for that. She don't expect say that kind of thing to happen. And the first is that they watch all from beginning to end, and they watch.
Nah, J-Pack, if you know me, you gonna say I know the verse like that. What I go?
What is his
I'm somebody that loves my wife. So for me to spark like that, I don't even know say camera they even video me again. What I go now? Thank God say cameraman no even cut him. Because if he cut him, some people no go believe him if I talk wetin happen. Now that thing enter me. What I go now? That thing enter me. Open na my wife say mo, Yam Baba, thank you very much. You know, I pretend the godi, ni runde mado. If we now go up, Muna my wife na man Jackie with a joke, expensive joke, self.
Yes.
My wife feel joke with me of anything. So far I say no money I know, you know go enter me. But for her to do it in front of people, one the thing about me invest me.
But you know say you don't know what you do, what you act. Now we're gonna tell you. If you look at the whole thing now, your wife take as immediately the thing because I don't boss, your wife can't calm down. You know, I believe says she don't be talking type when she do anything wrong.
Nah, that time when she calm down, now because say she don't fuck up. She don't see she don't see new car. If she don't see that new car, she don't go calm down. But anyway, I don't want to begin first again. I don't calm down.
I beg. The truth is what I want beg you now, say, Yam Baba. No. What I want beg you now, say me they hear me.
I hear in one.
What I beg you now, you say, you get what you do. You say, me then carry the motor go. And if you look at the face of your wife, she without being told, you're gonna say she's very, very sorry. I beg. This marriage is just a new marriage, and if you begin to settle this case for social media now, I don't know how long we will begin to settle this thing reach. I beg. Even the how they put mouth for other in the other matters, pure and genuinely make people love you.
There's no problem.
And they beg you. I don't be say I perfect, but anything why I beg you, I don't feel beg you. I don't know who will beg you again. I beg. That motto. Just don't be saying that today they give you command, but when your mind don't calm down, return back the car. I believe she will learn from her mistakes, please.
Don't worry for them. J-Pack, I don't hear you. Me and my wife don't.
But boy, call your wife.
I go call him, but just hear me out first. Me and my wife don't settle. What I go? We don't reconcile. My wife na person where I love. What I go? I know see person where I love like her.
That's what I'm there. Sometimes
if you see some things where we say we they do online, most of them na real. Na so I take love them. But I want to make this video also teach some people say there is no perfect marriage. Even self, I want to use this video to tell people say, may they stop to they use my marriage as their ideal marriage.
As in,
I don't want to be somebody's role model. Nobody, no they praise say make God will make your marriage to be like that of Odogwu and Aisha, because you don't know what is going on in my house. There's no perfect couple. Yes, and they tell people now, all these you are my role model. Look at your parents who don't marry for 50 years. Let them be your role model. Leave us where we say, I can amu. We are still learning ourselves. No, they look us as your role model. We are still learning. Look at your parents and learn from them.
Yes.
What I go? So we are not anybody's ideal couple. We have our own loopholes too. We are not perfect. My wife is my J-Pack. My wife is my good luck charm. Go and check the videos. Let me say me and my wife begin do when we start. Now for one room I did.
Hey.
When my wife enter my life, my life changed. When I talk say, when I talk say she bring light to my life. Now she bring no be go come. Now she carry light enter my life. She's my. I've been they do and they struggle. But when she enter my life, everything is saloko. So no be person where I go play with. I know the joke with them. Man, I want me ye accusatory and your man at the Roma. I love my wife till now, till tomorrow. But I go so all the insults will be say I they see online. There's no problem. Now we carry ourselves put online. Anybody who carry himself put online should be ready for anything. Now we want the
Yes.
content creators. So anything where you see online, you take them. I love my fans.
Yes.
I love their concern. People don't they call me, they beg. I love them. I cannot answer everybody's call. What I go? I love them and
Yes.
I appreciate their concern. Even said some people don't even send me some small things. Say make I use and buy my baby car seat or everything. I appreciate them. I love them. What I go now? Me and my wife done. We do all right. Everything may not come back automatically, but we are all right. What I go? Check out where I go back. Baby,
Call him. Like I even see him.
My love.
Can't to go in me head who?
Baby, I can J Park.
Hey,
Aisha.
She dey work.
I'm in the kitchen. Yes, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
You know, I also people they say, "I quite want to tell you one the baggers here. I quite change hands." What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? I do believe. What's the matter? Kai walai what? Kai what's the matter?
What's the matter? What's the matter? I dey do green. So why I dey do green?
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
No problem. Don't worry. I will come see new baby. Because of this, I will come see new baby. No, sir, I never bring my gift, but I will come bring my gift. No problem.
No, Allah, no, Allah. We did together.
To.
Thank you.
Sanjima.
Young Wajima Nafia.
To, walai.
Okay. Thank you.
Madala. Hey.
My brother.
Oh, more.
I love her. I love her till I don't know, till my last breath. I love her. So what if let God be in control. If you
at least I am happy now. At least before Nate is on the before I go put mouth for person matter. I don't know see as the thing take happen.
Anybody will love me should be praying for us. You're gonna for God to help us. Every marriage needs God. Every successful marriage is a marriage that consists of two people that are making effort.
Yes.
To love and then respect each other. So I want to my brother. I got you. I appreciate you.
God bless you. God bless you.
Bye bye.
One love,
my
one
brother.
love.
Bye bye.
Yeah.